how to fix you have created too many pages on Facebook. So first thing first, open your Facebook app. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. You'll come to this page, scroll down and then click on the Pages option. After this, tap on to Create option. Click on Get Started and type in the name of the page that you want to create. For example, I wrote TechShy. Click on Next. And over here, you have to choose your category. So as you can see, it says you have created too many pages recently. Now go back and click on the page that you want to delete. Once this page pops up, click on Switch option. So you opened your page, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Scroll down and select the option of Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and you will see the option of Settings. Now in the search bar, search Delete. You will see the option of Delete site text, page and information. Click on that. Once this page comes, you have to select the option of Delete Page and then click on Continue. After this, you will be able to create a new page, but if your problems still continue, then there's another option. For that, again open your profile, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, scroll down and click on Report a Problem. You will come to this page, then click on Continue to Report. Now click on Include. As you can see, there are many options. Click on Pages. Here, you have to provide the description of the problem. So here you can select any of the topic you are having the problem. You can here explain the problem which I have already written. Then after stating your problem, simply click on to Send. And that's it. Your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.